Right, before I get this video started, yeah, so everybody, before you want to know on how to get your Switch hacked, you gotta go to like this website, ismyswitchpatch.com, and then on the bottom of your Switch, you're gonna have to look on the bottom, get the serial number off of it. As you can see, mine's XAJ40003-127. In here, you got to put in that exact serial number. So XAJ40002. What was it again? 0003127. Alright, that's worked like that. Now, once you got your exact serial number in, that's on the bottom, you can go check, and it should say your console is not patched if it's an unpatched one, version 1. Or if you go into your settings on your Switch, scroll all the way down to system, you go all the way down to serial numbers. It should say there if your sticker's gone missing. It should say on there. Alright, so that's the first part done. I'll do the rest on my computer. Alright, here we are on the computer. Okay, let's go and get the stuff ready. So, first thing that we need to get is the Atmosphere Switch. When you search this up, it should be the first one there. This is the firmware, as you can see. It works on the newest 21 firmware. What's this one? That's a new one. Let's just download the latest stable one right now. And you want Fusey.bin. Alright, to start off, we're going to have to get our SD card. So, open a new window here. Go downloads. Let's move it over here then. Here, Switch SD folder is empty. What you want to do first, you want to open the Hekate thing. You want to drag both of them over there. Wait for that to do its thing, and you want to take this Atmosphere. This will have these 3 files in it. That's the homebrew menu. Just carry them all over like that. On your SD card, you will also have a folder called Nintendo, but I do not have anything on here at the moment because it's a freshly factory reset Switch, and the Nintendo thing will go over when I plug it in. Alright, as you can see here, I've got a couple more things. There's like boot logos, pop that in. And then we have these. I'm not quite sure what to do with these, I'll come back in a sec. In your Atmosphere folder, you're going to have to make a new folder called hosts, or maybe like a lowercase h, like that. Like that. Alright, hosts. Alright, let's just
10 seconds later.
forget about that bit then. You get this emommc.txt, which will hopefully be in the description if I am lazy enough or not. I've got all of these here. These all go in the Switch folder. If I just do that and that, so now you have Fusey.bin and that have not been put in the SD card. I'll show you how to do that now. Okay, so you put this Hekate IPL.ini in the bootloader folder. So now you got all of that, and now let's go over to the Switch to see if that works or not.
Next part is putting your switch in RCM mode. As you can see, I've got this thing in the side rail, I'll just get it out, called an RCM jig. It's only small. You grab it, you put it down the Joy-Con rail till it clips in, so all the way down at the bottom like that. Now, what do you want to do? You want to press and hold the button. It's all blurry. Power options. Power off. Alright, now it's powered off. How am I going to do this then? I'm going to, at the top here, I'm going to press the volume up and the power button. You want to just tap the volume up button, and then you want to press and hold the power button. So if I just do this, alright, I accidentally turned it on. I think you're supposed to, I don't know, I think you're supposed to press and hold each other. So that's what I'll do this time. Right, power off. Alright, let's do this again then. So, press and hold the two. And then that on there. You can also get this for free. Tegra RCM GUI. You can get this for free. Alright, let's do this then. That should turn into RCM okay, if it works. Alright, hold on a sec. Alright, third time lucky. So, what I have to do, press and hold the volume up button. Just do a little tap on the power button. Like that. I haven't even got it connected to my computer. After a bit of trial and error, I got it. So that is now in RCM mode, as you can see. Right there. This is RCM okay. I'll meet you now on the computer for everything else.
If you want to get games, which I shall hopefully show in this video, if it can actually be on schedule, you will need some SIG patches. So if I just go down here to the Nintendo Switch SIG patches. So it should be a gbatemp.net thing, or a link in the description, if I can be bothered to. So, SIG patches, your firmware has to be here on this one. It cannot be on 21 or whatever's after that whenever you're watching this video. So, here, this one right here. I'll give a link in the description for that. But here we go, if I just refresh that to make sure it's actually there. I do not see it. You have literally just downloaded it. Oh, it's that. Wait a moment. Bro, it's that thing right up there. Here you have Atmosphere and Bootloader folders. Just copy them, drag them. For me it will say replace, but yours should go in quickly and well. Just wait for them to go over. This is for if you want games. You can get, I'll talk about it after.
It should load something. Atmosphere. that. And you got this. I'll wait for that all to load up. My light's getting in the way. There. So now you are in custom firmware. So you can see, you can tell you're in custom firmware because you go down here. It says next to the firmware, it says that. As you can see, I've already done this before, so I've got this cool background thing here. Here we go. So now you're on this screen. It'll be down here somewhere. Press that button right there, the image capture button. Bro, oh come on. I gotta get my other Joy-Con, hold on a sec.
10 seconds later.
Alright, there you go. So there you go, just press on that, immediately boot into this. I've already done this before, so there's going to be a couple things on here. But what you want to look at is this one. It says all of that. It extracts the home menu, gets the things from the home menu, just press all of that. If you want to get a new theme, download themes. This feature is not available or running applet mode. So yeah, you'll need something like a game to put in real quick. Right, I've got my game here. Gone with a good Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. All you gotta do, like that, go back, should pop up. If it doesn't, then there's something wrong with your game. So what you want to do, you want to press and hold R, and you want to press A. Keep pressing and holding it. And go, yep, open it up. There you go, press and hold R and open it up. So now I'm in here, NX Themes, download themes. Here we go, it says download themes from the internet. So that's the website you need to go to.
The Mesa.net. And then you have the Switch and Wii U themes, but we're on the Switch. So we got all of these we can choose from. I'm just going to choose from the first one I see. Let's go this one, Dark Souls. See this code, install ID. This is what you'll be putting onto the Switch, so I'll show you right now.
Okay, from the website, as it said there, P1245. So let's put that in then. P1245. That's exactly what it said on there. Go search. I'm not even connected to the internet either. Alright, I'm now connected to the internet, or hopefully connected to the internet. Let's go search. There you go, now it's downloading them. That on there is that on there, so it does work. Let's go download all. These will download to your SD card. As you can see, it's just downloaded to your SD card. Now, what you want to do, themes, see all of these. I'm going to go multi-select, because bang, and you want to just select them all real quick. Select, 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 and then that to install. So now all the themes will be installing. So hopefully we'll get some cool themes in a sec. If you want to get tinfoil, there's also a good guide that I'll put in the description for how to get it and how to download games off of it. But I'll show you how to download games off your computer onto your Switch, which is a bit harder. But if you have a banned Nintendo console, then it'd be easy. So my thing has not come up. Hold on a second. I haven't done the latest update yet. Oh, wait, no, it's done that bit, just not the other bits. But yeah, you see it does work. If you have like the regular Switch menu, it would work. And
Okay, I've downloaded some more things. I've downloaded this App Store and something else which is not here. Wait a moment. It's not even there. Where is it then? No, that's not it.
One eternity later. A few moments later.
Alright, I found it, so yeah, it's now there. I had another one from yesterday. It's now the next day. I've got to go and get the SD card. Okay, so now I've got my SD card. Open that up, Switch folder, copy it over. All of these will be in the description, hopefully. Now I'll show you how to get games, because I think I've done everything else. I've also got a backup here, which I think I showed you how to do. Yeah, I did. So, yeah, I'm gonna show you how to get games now. Alright, what you gotta do? Go to your favourite Switch games website, which is switchroms.com. I think that's how it's spelled at least. Let's wait for that to load. Here we go. Yeah, this is my favourite. Let's download just a random game, any game. Let's get Zelda. It will redirect you a couple times, but it will eventually work. Come on. Alright, there we go, like that. So now you can get the update as well. You can download that and all that as well.
A few moments later.
Alright, you do not press that download button there. You press the one down here. It's helpful when you're looking at it. And now you go continue download. Download now. And there you go. It's off. Alright, I'll come back when it's done and I'll show you all the next steps. Alright, as you can see, all done. Download complete. Now if I go back over to here, yep, it's right there. You can download the update as well, but I'm not going to do that because I'm just going to show how to get the games on here. I'll show you two ways. This is the first way. So what you want to do, make a folder called NSPs, like that. You want to get your game that you downloaded from the website. It says that it's too large, probably because I've got no storage left. I do have storage left. Alright, that's where this tool comes in. Here we go, nsplitty.exe. This will also be available in the description with all of the other files and stuff. Here we go, .nsp, choose your game, or if it's a XCI file you can go like that, choose it that way. But let's just see if that's chosen. Now what you want to do is create a copy, you want to split the file. This will take up to 10 minutes maybe, so I'll see you in another 10 minutes. Alright, as you can see, it's doing it. So it's nearly done. So this is probably the last one. There might be one more, but then it will create a folder over here in your downloads or wherever the thing is, wherever your NSP is, and there's the 3 files that have been made in this app. So I'll come back when it's all done. There you go, all done. NSP splitted successfully, which means now we should have 4 files. There'll be 4 of them that are 4 million kilobytes, and then there'll be one that'd be that because it's 13 gigabytes in total. Now, if I were to just reopen my SD, all I need to do now is drag that over to this NSPs folder, which will probably take another 10 minutes. I've been doing this video for so long already. I've done it all of tomorrow. Not all of tomorrow, all of after school yesterday. And I've been doing it ages today. Alright, I'll see you when it's done. Alright, as you can see, it's all transferred over now. So I've got the Breath of the Wild thing all split up. It's got to be a FAT32 formatted SD card. So I'll probably put that at the start of the video, which you might have already seen, if I've been bothered to put it in or not. So here, now you want to just eject your SD card and I'll meet you back over on the Switch.
Alright, back on the Switch. The light's in the way again. Let's have a look. Brightness. There you go. So here we go. We got a Mario Kart here. It's just hold R, press A. So let's do that real quick. Start software. that user. There you go. Now what you want to do, go over to Goldleaf and go explore content, SD card. And here's all the folders on your SD card. You want to go over to NSPs. And here we go. Here's the split Legends of Zelda Breath of the Wild file. So what you want to do, just press A on that. You want to go, yep, install into SD card memory or console memory. I'll go console memory, just for the sake of this video. And then now that's going to install, so I'll meet you back again when it's done. Now it's finished downloading, so once you've done that, it'll take about 5 minutes for a 15 gigabyte file. So if you want to delete this file, yeah, gets rid of any wasted space on your SD card. Now you want to go home, should pop up right there. Yep, open it, start software, because I didn't get the update. And there we go. That's one way on how to get games. And yes, it does 100% work because this is the game playing right now. Next, I'll show you the second way on how to get free games.
For the second way, come to this website called tinfoil.io. Now you want to go over to download and you want to get the self-installer. So if you download that, it will be a very quick download. Now you have got it right there. So now all you got to do now is put it on your SD card, which I have not got plugged in at the moment. Right, that's better. There we go. So we've got a switch folder. Drop it in there. Should do it rather quickly. There we go, all done. Now, what you want to do, just eject again. And
Right now I'm here, all you gotta do is do that again. And start software. Let's turn it up a bit so you can hear it. But, Alright, did it wrong. Let's try it again this time. And yeah, there we go, works that time. So now you should have over here tinfoil self-installer. There you go, press on it, just start software, just like that. Tinfoil version 20. It will take a second first. It'll come up like this. Just press the one on this side if you've got a game cartridge in. There. So now what you want to do, because it's all done, it should pop up there now. Gotta do is open, start. Should pop up again, and this time it should be normal. So, no, I do not want to do that. Here we go. So that's literally it. You've got info. You can get all of these. If I just go back over here. Here, it says file browser. I'll show you how to add a source so you can get free games. It should come up down here, but I'll show you that now. Alright, we're going to be getting this one called OpenNX. This should work if it isn't out of date. So here we go. I've already done the wrong thing. Let's do it now. So that, there we go. Protocol, change that all the way down to HTTPS. Host will be openNX.github.io. So there we go. Port We do not need that. Path, we need tinfoil.json. There we go. And the title doesn't really matter. I'm just going to put it as like a 3 full stops for now. Enabled, yes, save. X. It will take a second to load all of the games. Save, come on. Alright, I accidentally pressed update, which has updated it to the latest firmware, and now I'm getting this error. But once you've got the file, once you've got the actual link for the 3 games, that will literally be it. I've already shown you how to get SIG patches, which will let you download. You need Wi-Fi and unbanned console, because if you have used your modded console online, then you'll have that banned, like mine. So I can't download anything from Tinfoil. But all you got to do is basically go, like, press onto a game. If you want to, like, sort by, do that. If you want to do any of that, like anything else like that, do it. There's a good tinfoil guide that you can watch by somebody that you can use. But that's pretty much all of it now for this guide. I might think about doing some more guides in the future. I'll have to ask my Snapchat. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you later.